Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work for the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin. And I'd like to show a craft for you today, and it is a springtime craft, and it is a gardening theme that you can do with your children. And I thought it was kind of cute. It's a gardening craft. Can you see that? All right, so I'll tell you what you need for this craft. You need a paper plate, and you cut it in half, and all you're going to use is half of the paper plate, like so. And then you're going to trace your child's hand on a piece of orange paper and cut it out, and that's what goes up there. And then these are just some little stems that make it look like carrots, and you just cut those out of green paper, like so. And then the brown can be brown tissue paper or brown construction paper or any kind of brown paper that you happen to have on hand. And then of course I cut out a little worm, a little earthworm. There he is. And here's another one that I cut out, and you have to draw on your little smiley face so he looks like a happy worm digging in your garden. So there you have it. That's all you need is orange construction paper, green, and 2 shades of brown, I think are best, because the worm has to stand out a little bit. So I used 2 different colors of brown, one for the earth that we glued the little squares on there like a mosaic, and then the worm itself. So that's a real easy craft you can do with your kids. It's a little gardening theme. I hope you liked it. Happy gardening, happy spring, and nice crafting with you. Bye.